Hey there, students. This is Casey Lawrence, one of the current administrators at East Coast Christian University, and today I'm going to show you how to navigate your finances. To locate your finances, you're going to go to your student module, and My Finance is located just to the right of My Courses. The default window it's going to pull up is My Account. You can see if I click it, it's the exact same information. This is where you'll be able to see the back and forth of your invoices and your payments. You can see right now that for this sample account, I've been invoiced one course of $175, so I have $175 left to pay on this account. To the right of my account is my cart. This is where you would see any courses that you've registered for and put in your shopping cart that haven't been activated yet. Once one of the administrators activates it, then it would show up in your courses for you to then enter and do your assignments. Finally, over here to the far right is Make a Payment. This is where you'll be able to actually pay for your courses online using a credit card or debit card. At the bottom, you can see that it shows you the current balance you have. And then inside this window, you can just type right over the default number and then click Credit Card. It'll open up this little window up here where you would then fill out your credit card information and your zip code, and then click Post Payment. If it goes through, you'll see the green words that say Approved, and if some piece was wrong, then it'll let you know, and then you can go ahead and try again. Once you finish and you're done, if you want to see that it went through, then you'll be able to go ahead and click My Account again. You'll then see a new status that says Electronic Payment, and it will show that your balance is at 0. Now, I didn't click on these other buttons over here, Payment Plan, Pending Aid, Tax Forms. That's because they won't necessarily be used by you that often, unless that you have set up Payment Plan or Pending Aid, and unless that you have set up or plugged in a tax form. This basically just lets you know that those are available, but they won't necessarily be on from the get-go. The things that you'll use the most is your account and Make a Payment. Hope that was helpful, and I hope you all have a great day.